thing I would say, Duce is not coming back in this car unless he's wrapped from head to toe, because that dog shit dirty. Never again. Never again.
Rockin' Nike sweater, I don't care about no Dior.
Hey y'all, so I'm bored. So today we're at the car wash, getting my mom's car clean and vacuum and all that fun jazz. So we gonna get into it. Did I put the car in neutral? Oh, he telling me come. Alright. So we in there. Yeah, I feel like I've seen this boy before. Like at school or something. Ooh. Yeah, that's scary. I ain't gonna lie, that's so scary. Ooh, snap. So we got this is a new car wash, y'all. We in here. He doing the wheels. Foot off brake, hands off steering wheel, wipers off for me. You're getting Betsy cleaned up. The name of the car is Betsy. We're getting her clean, you feel me? Yeah, I don't like the fact that I can't see you. Whatever soap this is, it smells good. I can smell it from the outside, from the inside of the car. Rain repellent for me. Blow dryer. $15 service I just did, so now I'm about to vacuum out the car. I wish y'all before, but I know he's not gonna go for that. So I'm gonna show y'all after how the car looks when I'm done vacuuming and cleaning up the car. So I'm gonna see y'all back in a little bit. Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a loop. Brody with my friend, going alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's who's? Still running around more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. But big shit. Stand off the internet. Share the stage, Billy Island. Turn any given time. Personal problems, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as we used to be. This shit sleep divided.
Alright, so yeah, I just got back home. I was at the car wash for like 2 hours. Washing and not washing, but what's the word? Vacuuming the car and wiping in the car and stuff like that. And I'm about to put the other mats, the rubber mats, back in there because my mom had took them out a while ago. So I'm about to put those back in there and I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. So I was thinking I should probably show y'all the car without the mats and then with the mats. So this is the front. This is the front. It's the driver's side. This is the driver's side. This is the back seat. This is the trunk. I did the trunk too, y'all. The trunk. This is the other side of the back seat. Get into the back though. Get into it. This is the passenger seat in the front. Sprayed and wiped down the top and everything. And I sprayed the wheel. Yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all how it looks with the mats in there. Alright, so this is how I look with the mats in there. I didn't wash this mat because, as I can see, it's dark outside now. And my mom, she didn't wash this mat. So I'm just not gonna wash it because I have to wash it and then scrub it and rinse it and have it to dry. And I feel like doing that. So that's not washed yet, but I will be washing that soon. And then this is how the other This is how the others look. You know, wash, clean. That's the passenger side. That's the other side. Oh my God, I set the food in the car. Okay. And then this is passenger. Let me fix this back in the corner. And yeah, there's a sticker that was on there, so I messed it up. But yeah, y'all, this is, bro. This is the finished product of the car. Oh yeah, let me put I gotta put this thing. I just bought this. My mom usually get black ice, but they didn't have it, so yeah. All right, I know the lighting is not too good. Let me see if I can get a flashlight from the other phone. See the lighting to be something. Ooh. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna put this thing on. How do you do this? Oh my God. I think the other one that's already there is stuck. It's stuck in this necklace that she got on here. But yeah, y'all, washing a car is no joke. Well, not the washing part, but the vacuuming, baby. One thing I would say, Duce is not coming back in this car unless he's wrapped from head to toe, because that dog shouldn't be. Never again, never again. That shedding, yeah, he have to go some. This don't smell too good. It don't stink, but it don't smell like the black ice, like. But it's hard to do. It definitely smells like a new car. The car gonna smell good regardless, y'all. But come on, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, y'all. That was a workout. I was sweating. I started sweating. I had to take my beanie off because I was sweating and stuff. But it was cool though, you know. Got the car clean, everything. I know I'm gonna be happy to see it. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all back in the next video. Peace. Oh! Peace.
Rockin' Nike sweater, I don't care about no Dior. Round with this blitz, so I don't care as long as he going. Posted on the block, I'm walking around.